In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Perplexity to n8n. By the end, you'll have a working connection so you can use Perplexity inside your n8n workflows with just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to n8n.io, then sign into your n8n workspace. If you're starting fresh, create a new workflow so you're looking at a blank canvas. You should see an option to add your first node. Click the Add First Step button to open the node selector. This is where you'll find all the services and tools you can plug into your automation. In the search bar, type Perplexity. When the Perplexity node appears in the results, click it to add it to your canvas. This node is your bridge between n8n and Perplexity's API, so once it's connected, you can send prompts and receive responses as part of your automations. Next, look for the action dropdown inside the Perplexity node. Choose the action that matches what you want to do, such as generating an answer or a completion. If you're not sure which action to pick, think about the input you have and the output you need. You can always change this later as your workflow evolves. Now it's time to connect your Perplexity account. Find the field labeled Credentials to connect with and open the dropdown. If you haven't connected Perplexity before, select Create New Credential. This will open a small form where you'll provide your API key. Have your Perplexity API key ready from your Perplexity account dashboard. If you haven't generated one yet, create it there first and keep it somewhere secure. For safety, never share this key publicly or include it in any screenshots or code snippets. Paste your key into the API key field, double check that there are no extra spaces before or after it, and then click Save. n8n will store this credential securely for reuse, so you won't need to paste it again in other workflows. After saving, make sure the new credential is selected in the dropdown inside your Perplexity node. At this point, the connection is complete. You can refine the node settings based on your chosen action, like entering a prompt, toggling advanced options, or adjusting model parameters if they're available. When you're ready, you can wire this node into the rest of your automation and run the workflow to see Perplexity in action. That's it. You've connected Perplexity to n8n, set your action, created a secure credential with your API key, and saved it. You're good to build, test, and scale your automation with confidence.